Today we have to discuss about the topic is infective endocarditis. Infective endocarditis. It can be defined as microbial infection of heart valve or neural endocardium that leads to formation of vegetation composed of thrombotic debris and microorganisms. It is associated with underlying destruction of cardiac tissue. It is two types. One is acute, another one is subacute. Acute, it is highly virulent and it is about 2 to 6 weeks. Occurs rapidly, mostly due to Staphylococcus aureus affect normal heart. In subacute, it is more than 6 weeks, less virulent, caused by Streptococcus viridans, affect previously damaged heart. Etiology, it is caused by microorganism. In 90% cases, Streptococci and Staphylococci caused by cause endocarditis, infective endocarditis. It is caused by the infective endocarditis caused by Streptococci and Staphylococci in 90%. The predisposing factors are periodontal ligament infection, tooth extraction and other dental procedure, catheterization, endoscopy, IV drug abuse, cardiac catheterization or cardiac surgery, prosthetic valve, trauma, etc. Underlying heart disease, it is due to chronic rheumatic valvular disease, congenital disease vascular septal defect leads to jet stream and mitral valve prolapse, bicuspid aortic valve, impaired host defense such as leukemia, cytotoxic therapy for cancer, etc. These bacteria enter into bloodstream and setting off bacteria at the site of already damaged endocardium, heart valve, or septal defect. Formation of vegetation over the area and destruction. Breaking the vegetation and embolization occur. Clinically, fever, malaise, fatigue, anorexia are caused. Clubbing, splenomegaly, pallor, heart murmur also cause. Road spot also seen and Janway lesion, oslar node, splinter subungual hemorrhage. This embolism leads to stroke, kidney, liver damage, etc. The lab diagnosis blood culture, which is plus positive is more than 12 hours. The test is taken, it gives positive result in between the gap of 12 hours. So, if the test is positive between the 12-hour gap and less than 1 hour, between less than 1 hour, the positive result is less than 1 hour also, blood culture test is done by blood culture test. Echocardiography, that is in echocardiography vegetation and leaflet perforation also seen. Due criteria, in Dewey's criteria is major is due to positive blood culture and involvement of endocardium, echo based evidence of valvular regurgitations. In minor, cardiac abnormalities, IV drug abuse, fever, embolic phenomenon, echocardiography, positive blood culture, which is not meeting major criteria. Diagnosis is conferred by two major or one major plus three minor or five minor. Indication for endocarditis is dental procedure, respiratory tract procedure, GIT procedure like surgery, genitourinary procedure like cystoscopy, prostate or urethroscopy. In cardiac condition, high risk, prosthetic valve, period infective endocarditis, created systemic pulmonary shunt, etc. And moderate is due to vascular septal defect, bicuspid aortic valve, congenital cardiac malformation. Who are at higher moderate risk of endocarditis should receive prophylactic antibiotic before under any procedure. The treatment is benzyl penicillin, parenteral aminoglycosides, amoxicillin before procedure. If the patient is allergic to penicillin, clarithromycin, clindamycin, cephalexin, cefazolin are suggested. The indication for surgery is heart failure due to valve damage, failure of antibiotic, large vegetation, abscess formation, and prosthetic valve endocarditis. Thank you.